Hello. In this video, let's focus on 10th experiment, and this is about using Raspberry Pi, or rather accessing Raspberry Pi's desktop from a remote computer. That is, we'll access the Raspberry Pi from this iPad itself. And from this iPad, we'll use a browser. And there is a feature in Raspberry called as Raspberry Pi Connect. So what we'll do is we'll go to Raspberry Pi now, and then enable this Raspberry Pi Connect, and then we will come back to this iPad, and then from this iPad we'll access the Raspberry Pi. That's the objective. So what we'll do is I'll first turn on the video over here and show you the way the Raspberry Pi has been connected. Right. So we can see we have the Raspberry Pi over here. So this is our Raspberry Pi, and you can see it's just a board, and in fact it's a complete system on the board. So you can see it allows us to connect. In fact, you can see the keyboard and the mouse using the USB, and then internet is also connected. And likewise, through the HDMI cable, a monitor also has been connected, and this is the power cable. And you can see the LED glowing over there, it's powered on. So you can just zoom out, and you can see the way we have the mouse, we have the keyboard, and we have the monitor also. So you can see the monitor has been the Raspberry Pi is running. So on the Raspberry Pi, now we want to access this right now through our iPad. So for that, what we'll do is you can see there is one small icon over here. So this is the connect. So right now, what I'll do is first I will sign out, and then I'll also turn off. So this is the feature that the new Raspberry Pi operating system is coming with. So we'll have to first click this, and you see turn on Raspberry Pi Connect. So once we turn this on, only then the remote systems can access it. So we turned it on, this feature, and then we got to sign in as well. So once we turn on, you can see sign in as coming in. So once we click the sign in, now what will happen is you can see the browser, the sign in page is coming up. Your sign in page has come up, and you can see sign into, or it has, in fact, just close this, some of the extra tabs that are there. And then you can see the name that we have given for this Raspberry Pi is Raspberry Pi 5 years RAS2. So I've signed it, and then we'll create a new token also. And this has been successfully registered in this site. So once this site it is successfully registered, now we can open this browser anywhere, any other remote desktop, and then we can see if this has been listed in that site. So we'll click that. So now what I'll do is I'll turn to the iPad now. So let's keep the video aside. Let's go to the iPad. Yeah. In the iPad, what I've done is you can see this is the browser that I've opened in iPad, connect.rsp, raspberrypi.com, and then we can see that there are this via RASP2 that is already listed and it's online. And now you can see that connect via, we're connected to the Raspberry Pi in screenshot mode. So now you see our browser now is trying to connect to the Raspberry Pi that has been listed in that site. That is connect.raspberry Pi. Now you can see we are trying to connect our browsers. In fact, this browser you could have used it anywhere from your house also you can get connected because Raspberry Pi has been registered with that site. So you can see now we have connected to the Raspberry Pi, and then I put it in full screen. And now from my iPad, we can control whatever we want. So for example, you see, I am clicking the program menu, and then likewise you can see the terminal also is coming up. We click the terminal, you can see the terminal has come up, and then we can type whatever you want over here on the terminal and send the command. This is how remotely we can access the Raspberry Pi from anywhere in the world, from any PC. So this is the procedure. Okay, we will meet our objective. I'll stop here. Thank you.